Is picking the seed coat off a seedling a good idea? I'm going to answer that with a question. Is your seedling outside? Then the answer is definitely yes. Also, what are the odds that a Wyze Cam was right there only inches away and directly pointed at the scene of the crime? So what did we learn? First, bird netting might be something you and I should look into. Second, my 6-year-old and I are now avid seed picker offers. If there is a seed coat on your plant, removing it before a bird sees it is a very effective way of removing this threat. You might need 2 hands. When you do this, definitely take care so that you are not damaging a seedling, which is very delicate at this point. You can wet the seed either with water or spit to soften the seed coat. Ooh, it's really on there tight. Even if you skip the softening step, know that you are going to be way more delicate than a pigeon. So give yourself some grace that a plant just was not meant to be if it does not go well. The third finding is that having a camera out in the garden demystifies what the heck is going on. Right now I have one on my tomato just for fun, and I have another on the zucchini flowers. Something is eating them, and I'm going to find out what's going on. Please drop a comment below if you have any additional advice, and share this with anyone else who's experiencing similar issues. Now, if your seedlings are inside, waiting a day or 2 longer, like this next scenario, is a perfectly good option. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, can I try?
Then if you pick it, I won't get one.
Can you peel this piece off right here with your finger? Do you see that? No, with this hand, I think. Okay. Ooh, it's really on there tight. Maybe we should cover this one. What do you think?
There's it.
Yeah, that one's on there really tight.
Can we eat it?
The outside part of the seed? Probably not, but you could rinse it off first, okay? We rinse it off and then you try to eat it?
No.
Okay. Well, you can put it right there and then it'll be compost. Yep. Thank you.